Good day. This is Dr. Mary from MJ Judy Medical. I have a question for you. Why choose MJ Judy Medical? Choosing MJ Judy Medical means that you're selecting a trusted partner dedicated to providing high-quality medical care. Our team is committed to delivering personalized services tailored to meet your unique healthcare needs. With the state-of-the-art facilities that we are launching in Malate, TAF Manila this 2025. This confident advanced technologies to meet every healthcare needs and our compassionate approaches. We prioritize your comfort and your well-being. Additionally, we also have our experienced professionals that are not only skilled but also strive to build a strong relationship with our patients, ensuring that you are feel heard and valued throughout your healthcare journey. Whether you're seeking a preventive care, specialized treatment, or general medical services, MJ Judy Medical is here to support you every step of the way. Experience the difference in healthcare with a team that truly cares about your health and your happiness. Choose us for the comprehensive, compassionate, and quality medical care. If you have other specific aspects that you'd like to emphasize, please just let us know. Our doctors, so the doctors at MJ Judy Medical, are all highly qualified professionals with a wealth of experience across various specialties. Each of our physicians brings expertise, compassion, and commitment to a patient-centered care. MJ Judy Medical's new branch in Malate will also provide additional and extensive healthcare services. State-of-the-art diagnostic clinic, pediatric clinic. We also offer OBGYN, a blood bank, ambulatory services, dental clinic, ophthalmology clinic for your eye needs, aesthetic derma, internal medicine, and a lot more. I encourage everyone to please follow up on our page and like our page, MJ Judy Medical Inc., to get the latest updates.